everyone, it's me Muskan and came back with a lovely video, and I hope you guys doing really well. And today I'm gonna unpack my Charlotte Tilbury makeup products. Yes, and you see my previous video, right, where I was purchasing? Yes, you did. Okay, so let's unpack it. And here's it. So let's unpack it. Oh, before I unpack, let me tell you one thing. There's an offer going on Charlotte Tilbury. If you purchase things over £95, then you can get a free gift, which I have got as well. So let me show you first what I have got as a free gift from Charlotte Tilbury. Ooh. Which is this two. And yeah, I know you have a question. Why I have got two gifts? Because I have done a trick there. So that's why I have got two gifts. And let me tell you why. Because I have done billing 2 times. That's why I have got 2 gifts. And one I'm gonna keep and one I'm gonna give to my sister. Yep. You can do that as well so that you can get many gifts. Okay. And I have bought 6 items. That's why I was able to split my bill into separate parts. That's why I got 2 gifts. And yeah, so let's unpack it, right? Let's not make a delay. Okay. So firstly, I'm gonna unpack my foundation. Let's unpack it. So this is Airbrush Flawless Foundation and the shade name is 5 Gulfroid. So let's try it a little bit. And this is the shade. Yeah, this is exactly my shade. This is just so good. And this smells so nice as well. And now let's unpack next one. So I'm gonna unpack now lipstick. Wow, just look at the shade. This is so pretty. Amazing. I'm really loving the lipstick and I'm very excited to share with you all my look creation with Charlotte Tilbury makeup products only. Okay, so stay tuned for that video. Okay. Now let's unpack next one. Let's see what is that. Okay. This is eyeshadow palette. And here you go. I'm so loving it. Just look at it. I'm really loving the color. Okay, let's unpack next one. So, any guesses? Keep guessing, and now I'm gonna unpack it. Oh, this is compact powder. It's lovely. And yeah, it's exact my shade. And now let's unpack next one, which is another thing. And this is highlighter. Yes. This is so lovely. My God. Just look at this. Just look, instantly I'm glowing. This is very nice highlighter. I'm loving it. Okay, I have unboxed our foundation, lipstick, compact powder, highlighter, and what else I have? Oh, I have unboxed eyeshadow as well. So now let's unpack unpack setting spray. This is so lovely. Let's try it. It has smell as well. My god. I'm loving Charlotte Tilbury makeup item smell. My god, it's so lovely. And nothing else I have. So, do you want me to unpack my fragrances as well, which I have got gift? Let's unpack it, right? Okay. I want to try them and want to know what fragrances it has. Okay, so what is this? Another one, another one. So I have got 3 fragrances. So let's try. It's amazing. Wow. It's really amazing. It's like a little bit flowery. Yeah. Okay, now the next one. I'm gonna spray it. Oh my god. I'm just instantly like feeling so good after applying that fragrance. Now let's try on this one. I'm gonna apply on that hand. This is also so nice. Wow. Good launch, Charlotte Tilbury. Very good launch. Now I'm gonna apply this one on my waist because I've used my palm. Now I'm gonna use my waist. So okay, this is very nice one, like red color. Okay. Wow. I'm in love with their fragrances. Like, trust me, these 3 are so good. I'm just loving it. Maybe I'm gonna buy the bigger fragrances from Charlotte Tilbury. Definitely. So let me show you together all things, okay? And by the way, stay tuned for my next vlog because I'm gonna do a makeup look creation with my Charlotte Tilbury makeup products only. Okay, that's gonna be so fun and so exciting. And yeah, so this is all for today. So don't forget to like, comment and share and subscribe my channel. Please do subscribe, okay? Alright, so we'll see you in next vlog. Till then, bye bye.